In this video, we'll have a look at how to handle errors in Python, in particular with file handling. So I've done a separate video on error handling, and we are just having a recap in this video because when dealing with files, it's easy to bump into errors. So we need to have a look at how we deal with them. So the first thing we've done is imported the OS. So we have OS dependent functions like the open function. And then we are opening up myfile_2.txt in read-only mode. Next, we are printing the output of my file to the console, and then we are closing the file. So it's a very simple piece of code, opening up and reading a file. Now, if we run the file, I see the content has changed. If we have a look at the desktop, we can see the file here, the content has changed. Now, if I introduce something else that does not exist, let's go with my file, 2222. Now, if we run the file, we receive an error, file not found error. And this is bad because the program stops working. It stops there, it halts. It doesn't run anymore. So if we introduce error handling techniques on how to handle this error, the program continues to run. And this is something we want to do as much as possible with potential errors. So we will introduce some error handling. And the first thing we will do is type try. So try this line of code. And if it fails because it's bumped into file not found error because the file does not exist, print the file does not exist. Otherwise, if there are no errors, let's use the else statement to carry on and read the file. Let's tab these across. So what this is saying is try and open my file in read-only mode over here. But if the file is not found error is detected, print the file does not exist. And if no error is found, go ahead and read the file. Or should I say print the file to the console. Now if we run the file, we get the file does not exist because this file does not exist on the desktop. Let's go back to the original file to make sure it still runs, and the original file still runs, which we can see here. By the way, I've done a dedicated error handling video, so you may want to watch that one, but that's how you handle errors when working with files.